What's on the tree?
It is Cinderella.
Ooh, Cinderella.
And another bird that's playing to God.
Mm-hmm.
And Abby. And Java.
What else did we put up?
Marcy. And Ball, and Ball, and Ball. And Ball, and Ball.
What else did we put up besides the tree? What else we got in the room?
And a house, and a wizard, and a ball, and lights, and an angel.
What else we got in the room? What did Grandpa put up?
These race cars.
Well, on the table. What else? What else we got over there? Why don't you show me that stuff? What's over there?
Right here.
Mm-hmm.
A village.
Oh, a village.
And everybody's in a Christmas tree. And everybody's in sweets.
And what's over there?
This is
The nativity scene?
a nativity scene, Santa, a bell, a drum, a penguin, a house,
And what's on the wall over there?
stockings,
Stockings.
stockings.
Which one's yours?
This one's mine.
And which one's Shy Shy's? Which one's the
This
dog's?
one.
There you go. Which one's Daddy?
This one.
Yep. And which one's Mama's?
This one.
Very good. Did you have fun today decorating?
Yeah.